Tell me about women on the sets. What was it like the camaraderie between actors, women actors?
It was lovely. We all used to look after each other. Because the only women on the set used to be you, your co-actor, and the hairstylist. That's it. There were no more women on the sets. Not
And
more than
unlike
those.
today.
Outside that, yes, like today. Today is amazing. You walk onto the sets, right from the DOP to ADs to writers, directors. There's so many women everywhere, and it's amazing to see that.
And women-centered roles. Do you feel that for older actresses, like beyond a certain age, which was like, they were only the pretty damsel in distress to then happily married, that path in a film, there are more women-oriented films that are being made, you feel, for a certain age? Or no?
Absolutely. Now it's crazy, especially with OTT. Because there's so much you can explore with OTT. There are no constraints of commercial aspects of it, saying that, oh, you can show this, or you can't do this, or you can do this, or you can't do this, and we have to sell this film to a wider audience, so we have to appeal to everything, everybody, every race, religion, age, all that. So you don't have to think about all that. You can make a movie the way you want to. It has democratized, filmmaking, according to me. Because you are watching films from all over the world. You're exposed to so many different stories and different styles of making movies, and in different languages. But the emotion is the same, right? People everywhere basically are the same, except you see those stories in a different cultural background, a different atmosphere, the look, the feel, everything. And so I think it's time that this has happened. It's amazing for women because you can play different kind of roles without the producer thinking ye film chalegi ki nahi, theater mein lagani hai, all those kind of things. The audiences also have changed, I
because
think,
they wouldn't accept. If an actor got married, a woman actor got married and had kids, and that was it. It was over as far as they didn't accept her in romantic roles or anything like that.
But don't you think it's self-created? Like this myth was self-created? Like a lot of the heroines left because they wanted to leave the film industry after they got married.
Okay.
And a lot of them continued. Like Nutanji worked for the longest time.
Yeah.
Meena Kumari ji was already
Sharmila
married.
Tagore.
Sharmila Tagore worked.
Yeah.
There's so many. Sharmila ji also worked, and there were so many others who also worked after marriage. But some of them decided not to.
But also,
I think that was also kind of a myth created. But
really?
I think now it's like it doesn't matter.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.